if you are wondering if you can expect overheating issues on OnePlus 15, then the answer seems to be mostly no. While, of course, there is a way to overheat the phone, for example, by performing benchmarks, on a daily basis, it's actually pretty hard to overheat the phone. And even if you manage to make the phone warmer or hotter, it is still manageable. First of all, it is still manageable. It's not like you cannot really hold the phone. And usually the phone doesn't get that much hotter, at least from what I've tried to do on OnePlus. Of course, after the benchmark, the temperature was quite high and the phone felt hot, but while playing games, for example, using camera, and for example turning on and off all the time, then the phone still felt quite cold compared to some other devices, other flagship models, for example. So I wouldn't expect the phone to overheat that much, at least, or that often. You would have to really try to make it overheat, and I assume it is possible to get high temperatures while playing some really demanding games. But the drop in the performance will probably not be noticeable, if there will be any at all. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.